Hello, hi, it's Liz here and we are at moving day -4. The craft room is totally packed up and all that's left is what is going with me, as in the storage here and these cubes here. These ones are all packed up. This one is open because it's got my laptop and my pad and things, and that will get left open until the last minute because I might need my laptop, and yeah, and chargers for the phone and whatnot are in there nice and safe, so that's an open one. These two boxes here we are using this room to keep the pictures off the wall of all the different walls in the house, so they are going to go in those boxes. That's the next job that's lined up for me. There's some crafty tubs here with some paper, some punches, and they're empty. They're just empty storage stuff that's going. And yeah, so we're doing really well. That's the cloth cubes for the storage units, and yeah, so that's us. I have two little parcels here that I thought I would have time to do a quick crafty video in between the last one and this update on the move, but I've just not had time because apart from packing this up, I've got the rest of the house to pack up as well, and hubby's been ploughing on with that, and I feel as if I've spent all my time in here, and so it's time for me to help pack up the kitchen and the bedroom and the living room and everywhere else. So yeah, a magazine came from Art from the Heart, a journaling magazine, and I got a little sticker book from Amazon, and I really thought I'd be able to do a quick flip through so that you would have something to look at while I was gone, but I don't have the setup. The light is over there and I don't have my arm to hook the camera onto, so you'll just have to be in suspense for those two flip throughs, I think, if I do that. That's my moving book with all the numbers in the calendar to keep handy, and yeah, so that's the empty craft room. We'll just swing round. Everything is empty. The fitted wardrobes totally empty in there, and it's all quite sad, it's all empty in there as well. So yeah, so all my boxes are in the living room at the back, like I showed you in a previous video, and then there's just those ones in the corner there. So that's a cheerio to the wee crafty room, and hopefully after a few days in the new place, I'll be able to give you a quick scurry round and have a nosy at the new room. And yeah, so wish me luck for Wednesday, and I'll see you then, or maybe Thursday or Friday really. Okay, thanks for watching, bye for now.